Hi everyone, this is Elena. Today we are going to talk about how to do the random number generation from different distribution. Firstly, we will start from the easiest one, the discrete distribution. So the example is that you throw an unfair dice, and the probability for each number is as follows. So we need to do the first step is of course to activate the data analysis, and then we choose the random number generation. As you can see that the number of variable is only one because there is only x, and the number of random numbers is that how many numbers do we like to generate. So in this example, let's see 50. And then the distribution is discrete. Yeah. So we need to choose the input range. Okay, and I'd like to do the output from the first sheet. So I choose this column and then click OK. So here is all the numbers that generated. Okay, let's move to another one, the binomial. I choose a very easy example that if you throw a coin for 500 times, and the probability for each time the head is 0.5. So also the step is just the same as the discrete distribution. The number of variable is also the one, and the number of random numbers, just let's say 50 as well. And the distribution is binomial. The p-value is just the probability of each time the head is 0.5. And the number of trials is just shown in this on the screen that it's 500 times. And the output range, choose OK, click OK. So this is the number that we got. 245 means that there is 245 times of head all out of 500. And then we would like to talk about the Poisson. This is the example on the slides. So the number of patients coming to a hospital a day is 15. So just the same. The number of variables are the same, and we need to choose this one from binomial to Poisson. Yeah. And the lambda in this case is 15. Yeah. Okay, and then we choose the output range. So these are our 50 days that the number means that, for example, it is the first day that the number of patients coming to the hospital is 10. And the next day, the second day is 12, and so on. The last one is the most common one, and we often do it midterm exam or final exam. It's a normal distribution. So this is also an example that from your slides, the rate of return x, and it forms a normal distribution with a mean of 30% and a standard deviation of 10%. So the step just the same, but we need to choose this from the normal distribution, and the mean is 30 and the standard deviation is 10. There we need to pay attention that when we do the random number generation, we need to put the standard deviation. It means that if the example tells us that a variance, so we need to do a square root of the variance, and the number is standard deviation, and then we put the number here. Okay, and then we do the output. Okay, already done. So thanks for your watching. See you next video.